Hello out there YouTube friends, I'm Cindy and you are watching Sincerely Cindy Settle. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here for a little while. If you enjoy unboxings and try-ons, book reviews, music and movie recommendations, this is the place for you. So please feel free to hit the subscribe button, like my channel, like this video. That helps other people find my channel as well. So without further ado, today we have a Stitch Fix unboxing. So this one has made its way around and took a little while to get here. It was actually supposed to be here on December 16th and never arrived. I did not get it, and I actually emailed Stitch Fix to say, hey, this has been sitting in Charleston, West Virginia since December 15th, and I don't know what the deal is. And that was just like, I don't know, last week. But anyway, it ended up arriving. They are sending me another fix to replace this fix, so I've emailed them again to let them know this fix did indeed arrive. However, excuse me, I'm not opposed to receiving another fix. So if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a subscription service that you can subscribe once every month, once every 2 months, on demand, however you want to do it. For a $20 styling fee, they send you pieces that are curated for you based on your style profile that you complete. And you try on the items, decide if you want to keep them. Whatever you want to keep, you keep and pay for. That $20 goes towards anything that you do keep. And the other stuff you send back in the mailer that they send you in your box. So let's dig right in. So we have our Oh Hello. And this usually has your items and they are styled for you. So it gives you some ideas of how to style them. I try to go by this when I do my try on as much as I can. If you guys have been watching a while, you know that my wardrobe needs some sprucing up. That's why I'm doing these boxes. So my stylist is Alyssa. I believe that's a new stylist for me, but we will get into her note in just a few minutes. My glasses are over there, so I will have to pause in a minute. And then you have your costs, your prices for all of your items. I like to look at that last so that I'm not swayed to like or dislike something based on the price. However, it does make a difference. So the first thing we have is we have a black and white striped sweater with this cute, cute detail here on the elbow. I like this. It's very soft, very cozy. Let's see what else we have. Okay, so this is just a multicolored, it's navy, and then it has multicolored dots on it. It has a tie sleeve at about quarter length sleeve, and then it has that split neck top there. That would be great for work. That's super cute and very comfortable feeling. Next we have, looks like a hoodie. It is indeed a hoodie. So love this color. I don't know if you can tell very well on the camera. This is like a purplish color. And then it has a gray and white stripe down here. Very, very soft. Very soft. I like that as well. We have something mustard color, which, as you know, this is a color that I have been requesting, but I don't want to get an overabundance of it either. Okay, so this is a jean jacket in mustard. This would look really cute with that black and white striped shirt though, wouldn't it? Cute. All right, I like it. It's a little, maybe it's my lighting, I don't know. It does look a little orangish though to me. Orangish, yellow, I don't know. Anyway, we'll see. And then we have a pair of jeans. As you guys know, I have been looking for jeans, dark wash, no distressing, something that will not fall off of my rear end. These look like they might be a skinny jean. Yes, they are the Ariana high-rise skinny jean. So I'm going to take a look at the style card and see if I can get these styled up, and we'll give them a try. Okay, so here we have our first 3 items. We have the jacket, the black and white shirt, sweater, and the jeans. So the jacket is very comfortable. I don't have any complaints with it. The sleeves are a little bit tight with the sweater underneath it. I'm not sure how much wear I would get out of this jacket. It does look cute with this outfit though. we would just have to see how much it is, or I mean, I could easily get away with like a mustard colored cardigan or something like that as well. So there's the jacket. Look at this sweater. So this is super comfortable. I love the detail here, the little patch there. I think that is so cute. It fits me well. Super soft. I do have a little front tuck going on here. This is what the hemline looks like if we're untucking. So it does have that little V there, that little split right there. But like I said, I would probably do a little front tuck. I think that looks cute. And let's talk about these jeans. So they are a dark rinse skinny, and I think I like them. I think the fit as well. I didn't know if I would like a high rise, but I think I kind of do. I am going to walk around in them before I decide to purchase, and it's also going to depend on the price as well. I do have some credits, so thank you to anyone that is watching that has gotten a Stitch Fix and given me a credit. So that's very much appreciated. Speaking of, if you want to try Stitch Fix, I will leave my referral link down in the description box. I'm not sure how much that link will be, but it's always $25 for you, $25 for me. Sometimes it's a little bit more than that. So if it's a little bit more and I find that out before I post this video, I'll let you know here. All right, so let's move on to the next item. Please let me know what you think of these. All right, so shirt number 2 with the same jeans. I think this is cute too. I do have it tucked a little bit there in the front. I like the cute little tie sleeve here. Might be a little billowy. I don't know. Again, the front tuck will probably take care of that. But I love the collars in it. I think it's very cute, and I could wear lots of different color cardigans with it. It's a good transition piece to fall, winter, spring, because it's not all that heavy. It's rather lightweight. I do like the split neck here. I think that's a attractive neckline for me. So let me know what you think. I always like your all's opinion. And the jeans, my girls have given a thumbs down. So I'm anxious to hear what you guys think. They say they look too baggy. So let me know. Okay, this is our last item. Very soft. I do like this color. It's just a hoodie. It's got the pocket, kangaroo pocket here. Very comfortable, very soft. I think this is a cute detail here as well. I'll have to look back at the footage to see about this one. I'm not sure. I mean, these aren't tight, but I want to see what this is made of and all that good stuff to see if it's going to shrink. I feel like the fit is pretty good. I do want to sit down in it to make sure that it's not too tight around the stomach or anything like that, but I don't have it tucked in at all. So you can see what the hemline looks like. I do want to go back to these jeans really quick and show you the hemline on these as well. I didn't do a drop down on these, so let me do that now. But let me know what you think about this sweatshirt, what you think of the collar, if this is a good style for me, just a very comfortable kind of weekend look for me. I always like your all's feedback. Let me pan down to the jeans. All right, so here you can get a better look at the jeans and the hemline on these. My daughters say that they're already getting loose, which they are right here, which is one of my pet peeves about skinny jeans, is that they always go on really nice, and then they loosen up, and then that's when they start sliding down my rear end. All right, here we go. Let's get to the wrap up. So I have out my pricing chart, and we will get right to it. So we have the mustard collared denim jacket, which is Market and Spruce, and it is $48. Not a bad price for a jean jacket. We have the black and white elbow patch. This is also Market and Spruce. This is $48 as well, not too shabby. Then we have the tie sleeve blouse in navy. This is also $48. And then we have the plum colored mixed by 41 Hawthorne. This is $40. And then we have the Pistola Ariana High Rise Skinny Jean, and these are $78. So the 25, you do get a 25% off discount if you buy all 5 pieces. I will not be buying all 5 pieces. I am considering the navy tie blouse, and I'm also considering the black and white stripe. I am going to look back at the footage, and I want your all's feedback to let me know what you think and if you think it looks cute on me. Maybe I might consider the mustard colored jacket. I'm going to try it on again and move around in it a little bit to see what I think. And then we will go from there. So with all of that being said, I hope that you guys will like and share and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys the next time. I have a trunk club coming, and I have my December reading wrap up. So I will see you guys back here really soon. I am Cindy Settle, and I am signing out. Mwah.